next weekend, huh?
It definitely is.
Tell us a little bit about what people can expect if they come out to the show.
Well, the show is out at the Essex Island Marina, and we're going to have boats from 10 feet to 60 feet there. We'll have over 60 boats in the water. We'll have land displays. So there's really something there for everyone.
Nice. And do you find that a lot of people who are coming out to the show are in the market for boats? They're ready to buy one or maybe upgrade?
Well, upgrade or buy, we're there for everything. And we're also there for people to explore boating. There's been a boom in boating in the past year or so. Connecticut has really helped out the boating industry by making us more competitive with our neighboring states. So we found a boom in boating. People are more interested in it, and we really have something there for everyone.
And people can learn. There's like a learning component to all of this as well, right?
Well, the nice thing about a small show is that you're able to talk to the different dealers there. We're all local dealers. We're all boaters ourselves. So if you have questions or you want to learn a little bit, come on down and talk to us. That's why we're there.
It's a great place to start your journey if you're looking for a boat. Tell us about Sails Up for Cancer, because this is the big fundraiser for you guys, right?
Yes, it's very big, very big. And this is about, I think I'm pretty sure it's our 6th year. And we're all very, very appreciative of everything that the Boat Show and Windcheck Magazine has done for us over the years. And I'm the CEO and founder of Sails Up for Cancer, a 2-time cancer survivor and an avid sailor. So that's where this all came about. And it's a too long a story for this segment. But we're having there's like a $5 suggested donation for the Boat Show, which, that whole pot goes to us. And on Friday night, the first day of the Boat Show, we had the Becky Thatcher with the Essex Steam Train on Riverboat. They're having a sunset cruise. We did it last year, and it's just absolutely phenomenal. The boat is a tremendous boat, and the Essex Steam Train people, they put out a great spread of food, and they have an open bar. It's it's a $20 admission, and you can't beat it. It's just going to be a family outing, and I believe that starts and goes like from 6 to 7 to 8:30, something like that. But we're just over the moon about being able to be here, and thank people like Tom, that work for it, and the people at Windcheck, Ben, and we're just hoping that Rick can provide us with a great weekend of weather.
We're hoping.
That's probably one of the most important things out there.
Tell us, the money that you raise from this event, how does it help?
That's an excellent point. We have decided, we donate to a lot of, hospitals and institutions for research and care. But I'm really, really proud of our group and our board. What we've done is we've started what we call a spinnaker fund. And as Tom would know, a spinnaker is a sail that we use when we go downwind when the wind's behind your back. And we like to think of it metaphorically as the sail that we have your back. So as a patient, if you're suffering financial stress while you're dealing with cancer, you can apply to Sails Up, and we'll give you a personal grant to help with your medical expenses, your insurance, your food, your mortgage, your transportation, whatever it might be. And I think that we're probably one of the few that has that really special niche where our money doesn't get lost in the cloud. It goes directly to people within our community. They need it the most.
What a wonderful cause. So just remind folks, we're going to put the information one more time up for you. It's next weekend.
It's next Friday. We start at 12 o'clock on Friday. We run a little bit late on Friday, so you can come on down after work. And start checking out the boats and talking to us then. And then we're there Friday and Saturday. We're at the Essex Island Marina. A short little ferry ride across the river there. It's a beautiful spot. And we'll see you there next weekend. I think the weather department here has guaranteed us some good weather.
We're hoping. We're going to get another check on the forecast after this. Thanks for being with us. We appreciate it.